Fresh sardines in the world.
No, it's a mega. It's not a fresh sardine. Because the
I am
fresh,
making scandal today.
fresh,
Mega sardines naman niya yun.
fresh is from Central
And another
China.
subject for my
Because it's from the port. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Please handle this.
Mega is the only from the submarine. But the mega tree is from the port.
Uy! Ay, nasa Jurutuna ako. Submarine.
Para na yun. Mega sardines. Papi, mega
Mega
sardines.
sardine is from Central.
Papi, look at the camera. Mega sardines.
Mega sardine is the only one that fresh sardines in the world. But I'm prepared and to the Central Tuna because my idol as
Yes.
my idol endorse kind of Central Tuna because I love it. Come on.
Hey, Papi, you wipe your nose. It is bleeding. Amoy
But
What's your nose? What's your nose?
you're so mean.
No, I'm not. I'm just telling the truth.
I'm with Central Tuna.
And how about him?
I'm with Century. Bango.
Gago! No, I'm not.
Papi, habhabin mo na. Habhabin mo yung peacock.
Ayoko dyan.
Habhabin mo yung peacock.
Peacock. From the heart.
Peacock.